Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Workspace email aliases in Gmail, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Sign in to your Google Workspace account using your credentials. Once you're in your inbox, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. In the drop-down, select See All Settings. Look for the Accounts and Import tab at the top of the settings page. Scroll down to the section labeled Send Mail As. Click on the Add Another Email Address link. A new window will pop up asking for the email address you want to use as an alias. Enter the desired email alias in the provided field. Ensure the Treat as an alias is checked. Click the Next Step button to proceed. In the next window, you'll need to enter the SMTP server details. For Google Workspace, the SMTP server is typically smtp.gmail.com. Use your full Google Workspace email and password for authentication. Select the appropriate port number, usually 587 or 465, depending on your connection. Click on the Add Account button to finalize your alias setup. You will then receive a confirmation email in your primary inbox. Open that email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the Accounts and Import tab in your Gmail settings. You should now see your new email alias listed under Send Mail As. To test your alias, compose a new email. In the From field, select your newly created email alias. Send the email to yourself or another address. Check to ensure that the email appears with the correct alias in the recipient's inbox. Your Google Workspace email alias is now fully set up and functional. Feel free to repeat these steps to add additional aliases as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.